medyo nawala kami ng few weeks. Ewan ko kung nababanggit ko dati, sobra talaga yung pag-overtime ko sa work. And hindi ko nabalayan na burnout na pala ako. Tapos naging worse siya. So pumunta na ako ng doktor and na-recommend ng doctor na mag-take ako ng few weeks off. So yun ang ginawa ko. Kaya wala muna kaming video for few weeks. Kasi talagang nag-relax muna ako. Hindi ko inisip yung work. Hindi ko inisip yung pag-edit ng videos, ng pag-caption.
Yeah, tsaka kung yung previous video, hindi ko alam din katapunan nyo. Pero ako lang yun nanda sa video nung previous house tour. Kasi yun nga, nag-solo flight ako dahil nga off siya.
Yeah, kailangan ko pala talaga. Akala ko dati overtime ako ng overtime, okay lang kasi may pera, 'di ba? Tapos okay pa ako. Tapos hindi ko namamalayan, nagkaka-anxiety na pala ako. Tapos nawawala na ako ng focus. Yun ang pinaka napuna ko. Nawawalan ako ng focus sa work. Kaya pumunta agad ako sa family doctor. Sabi niya, buti pumunta daw ako, nag-seek ng help dahil kung pinabayaan ko mas magiging worse pa. So bumalik na ako ng work last week, okay naman. Hindi na ako mag-overtime so far. Bree,
Pasensya na kayo, medyo magulo itong alaga namin.
it's okay buddy, it's okay, it's okay. You wanna go outside, diba? If you're gonna leave you naman at home, you're gonna cry. So what do you want? You behave na, you behave. So, nakabalik na ako ng work and back to ano ulit tayo. Vlogging ulit. Sana na-miss nyo kami kahit papaano. Na-miss namin yung pag-vlog, pag-share ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yun nga lang, kasi winter, yun yung dyan, medyo nag-hibernate kami pag winter kung tutuusin. Pero ngayon, labas tayo ngayon kasi dalhin namin to si Bree sa veterinary dahil kasi kulang pa yung mga shots niya. So yun ang asikasuhan namin yun. Pero yun nga, sa mga nape-pressure sa trabaho dyan, mag-ingat kayo sa health nyo dahil kasi yun nga, talaga natamaan si Mola sa kinalalagyan niya. Sobra-sobra yung oras na tinatrabaho niya sa work. Saka nakikita ko naman na pressured na siya.
Yeah, kasi kung tutuusin, June, nag-start na ako mag-overtime parate. Weekends, nag-overtime din ako. After work, sa gabi nag-overtime ako. So from June to October. Tapos nung October, dun ko na talaga siya napuna. So nung November, pumunta na ako ng doktor and then I took few weeks off talaga na relax lang. Hindi ako nag-isip ng kung ano. Buti na lang meron kaming short-term disability. Hindi man 100% yung sweldo pero at least meron and yun nga yung priority talaga is health. Ayan, natulog na siya. Yehey!
Alright, and then I'm just gonna grab her weight.
Yeah, can you remove the...
We're up there. Yeah, I know, it's cold out there.
Yeah.
Hi, hi sweetie boy. You're so cute, hello. I'm just gonna put you on this weird little scale, okay?
You want me to hold her or?
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Don't be scared, honey.
Hey.
Girl, good girl. Don't be. Perfect, so the doctor will be in shortly.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Oh, you're shaking? Is it because it's cold?
It's okay, Bree.
Are you
Matakot pa yata.
Hello. Hello. Hi, I'm Doc. You guys
Hey,
are
Shogi.
recommended by a friend of ours and
Okay, is it Purina one?
no,
Purina puppy?
no, it's not.
No, it's
It's okay. What happened? It's okay.
No, we have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Stay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's very
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's finished. It's finished.
Just one more.
One more.
Oh.
Better
Okay.
breathe a bit.
Give her some time.
Okay. It's okay.
Flip her. Change the side.
Okay. You ready? One more. Hey, one more. It's okay. There you go. No, it's okay. There. It's okay.
Okay. Give it to me. I'll give her.
Okay. Alright.
It's okay, boo boo. No, she's not in the mood.
Oh, not in the mood right now.
Here we go.
Okay, I'm giving you the
It's
massage.
okay.
It's okay.
Is it painful? How it feels, is it?
Yeah, it's okay. They just need 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
it's okay. I'm sorry. Did I hurt you? I'm sorry.
Here, look, here's a treat. Here's a treat.
Treat?
Treat.
Treat. No.
She's not
No, she's like really. It hurt, eh?
All good? No, she's better.
Are you good now, Bree? All good, Bree? Good girl?
She's like a small baby.
Yeah, I know. Our dog passed away. The other dog last year was 17 years old.
Oh wow.
So yeah, this
Pretty
is our
old.
new dog. Yeah.
We took a break before we decided to get another one.
Yeah. So it's a girl this time. Aww. Okay,
Now
good.
she's perfectly good.
Yeah, I think
It's
so.
okay. Sorry.
All
Okay,
right.
so I'll see you after 4
Yes,
weeks. Okay.
thank you.
I'll really love that thing, the red
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Is
and
that
I'll see you after 4
updated?
weeks.
Yeah.
This is updated.
No,
I
it's
can
okay.
update. You.
Yeah.
I can sign it for you.
Please.
So that we keep track.
So this is the deworming. This is liquid
Mm-hmm.
deworming. You have to give one tomorrow and one after 14 days. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just wait outside.
All right. Good girl. Good
It's
girl,
okay.
ikaw na. Good girl. You have treat later. You want
Okay.
treat now?
There you go.
Yum yum. Yum
Okay.
yum no? Yum yum. Good girl. Okay, let's go. We're going home na. Ayan, kakataos lang namin. And so far, okay yung experience namin sa kanila.
Okay yung mag-asikaso at saka kahit pa paano nakikita naman na may care sa mga animals.
Yeah, totoo yun. Mag-stop muna kami dito sa Tim Hortons and then kukuha ng samosa mamaya. Nandito kasi kami sa Northwest eh.
Oh. Parang inikot na namin yung Calgary. Nagsimula kami sa Southeast, napunta sa Northeast, ngayon Northwest. Pero yun yung ano namin minsan pag Saturday. Ganyan talaga. Pasyal-pasyal pag may time.
Yeah, next week mag-go house tour na ulit tayo.
Saka, ayan, si Bri, medyo ano nga, na umiyak-iyak kanina pero okay na siya. Ayan.
Gusto talaga makakain pero bigyan ko na lang ng treat mamaya.
So I guess sa ngayon, until next time,
Bye!
bye-bye!